How was the trip, bro?
Oh man, nice and relaxing. Nice to get out of Auckland. Just hang out at the beach and go swimming. So now we've got the big job of packing up. We'll pack up and head down to Waipu and go to a cafe before we head home. Ready for work tomorrow.
Sweet. Yeah, we might do some training this morning when we get back. Whakaala whatumako, and welcome again to my channel. Today I'm up north with my family, my missus and my kids, and also some of my brothers and sisters. So yeah, just show you what we've been up to. Good to get some time away from work and from home to come up to rest, relax. Yeah, I'll try and fit in some training stuff and some eating, healthy eating, all goods. Alright, stay tuned. Yeah, we've just caught some, what are these called, bro? What are these, Gus?
Yeah.
Oh, these, what are they undersized? Yeah, we're trying to save them and figure out where to replant them. So
This is just the sample from the beach. That one, hey.
Oh, is there such a thing as undersized?
I'm not too sure.
So how are we gonna cook it?
These anyway, as the kids say. So we're gonna put them in some water. It's probably gonna kill them because it's fresh water.
Oh, okay.
And we're hoping it will purge the sand. And then the chef is setting up. I'm gonna put it in there. We're gonna get this hot. Pepper, yep. Salt, pepper, some lemon. Hey, gonna see what happens tomorrow. If it's good, tomorrow we'll go get some more. Yeah. Hopefully this kind of purges the sand here.
What does purge mean?
Just means spit out the sand.
Oh,
get rid of all
sickle it out.
The inside, because it's here.
Oh, and that's how you have it, guys. We're gonna cook the.
For now,
what are these pippies?
I think these are cockles. I think one's cockles, one's.
Some of them are peppy, some of them
Hopefully they're edible.
And then fry it in the pan or boil it in the pan?
Now we're just gonna just get the pan piping hot and then drop them in so it will steam in its own juices. Just like mussels, I think.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Oh, there you have
See
it.
how we go?
Yep. Okay.
Yeah. Fun.
There's Pete Andre, aka Ronnie Coleman, and the boys. We just checked out the ginger garlic and rokaka. What do you think, bro?
The butter chicken smells authentic, man. Looks good. There's a special on, so I think the owner there is pretty keen for us to come back.
Yeah.
He's putting in the extra service. Hey, don't touch me. Just here for the food.
Oh, hey.
It's good. You know, looking after his customers, but it's a bit quiet down this end, so
Yeah.
yeah, he's probably feeling the pinch.
Yeah. Hopefully the food's fresh.
Yeah, not last year's chicken eggs.
But we're getting most of our food from the kebab place, eh?
Yeah, we're getting a couple of pizzas from the kebab shop, a few kebabs, and then some fish and chips as well.
Yeah, the food must be good because it's packed in there, eh?
Very popular in there.
That shop over there, oh.
Yeah, Missy's in there, waiting. Oh, here we go.
Oh, you need some help?
We're good. All our pizza.
Where are we now, bro?
Nice Chinese takeaways. Some bread and fish and chips.
Look at that. Look at that. What are you doing? Street waiting.
Thank you very much. Excellent. Cheers. What, I need that?
Just here waiting for our takeaways. It's pretty packed, pretty busy.
Thank you very much.
Must be good.
See you next time.
Another happy Happy, happy. Alright, here's the late arriver. We are eating at the beach. Gus and
What is that called?
the kids.
What is that called? That's called something raw. Yeah, it's called something
Whakalofatu morning, here at the beach. First morning here with Gus and Hayden. Just going for a morning cardio. Why did you come, Gus?
Relieve the stress. So stressed out at work.
Yeah.
Drink some beers, eat some food, that's all.
And here's the bodybuilder Hayden, Eric.
Hey, whakalofaleatu. We're here at Ruakaka Beach. Just going for a walk. It's pretty deserted, eh?
Oh, right there, yeah. So we're happy to get some training in this morning. Well, we'll just do the walk first. And then maybe 100 burpees, eh, Gus? 200 press-ups. Maybe 300 squats, but we'll see. That's just a warm-up. Alright. Okay. Alright, morning guys. We just finished our cardio walk. We're going to do our resistance training now. What do we got planned, bro?
Gonna do a superset, but for each exercise there's 3 different exercises in there. So for me, I'm gonna start on 3 press-ups, 10 press-ups, 10 diamond close grip press-ups, and then 10 snifters. Sorry, I keep saying 3. Then John will start with 10 squats, 10 burpees, and 10 lunges on each side. Yep, we'll go.
Sweet, we're gonna start this up. Sweet, that was 1 set done. We might do 3 sets altogether. We'll just record the first set. Don't need to see us struggle through the second and third. Alright. Hey, just finished the 3 sets. That was fasted as well, eh, bro?
That was an easy one.
No breakfast, just straight.
Oh, fasted, yep. Fasted, short breaks, high volume. That's good.
Yeah, earned our breakfast now. So this is what we were training in front of, eh? That's a mean spot to train.
Yeah, definitely. Good view.
Look, someone's not even puffing. Look like you go for a few more rounds. That's what happens when you're consistent. Not even tired.
Lots of fuel in the body.
Yeah, he's running on that 98 fuel. Sharks, alright. We'll see you. Hello, hello, hello. So now we're getting ready for dinner. This is our last dinner before we go back. Here we have Steph preparing the big watermelon.
Yes. Happy camping, everyone.
Dinner time. Yo. Was that Dave? Huh?
Hey, welcome back to camping. This is the last day and have fun.
Woohoo!
Yeah!
What's for dinner, miss? What do we got for dinner? Steaks and steak and salmon, eh?
Well, last night we had so many different things, but today we're doing camping food, which is tuna and rice and salad.
Oh, my favorite.
Yum.
That's good, high in protein, this tuna.
Yep.
When you talk about the protein,
And leave a little bit of carbs there, just a little.
yeah, you need a bit of carbs so the brain can work.
Yeah. Look at it.
There's like a big pie.
Look at that. Yeah, so we're gonna eat here, right in front of the beach. Nice. Yep. Just wanted to make a note that this year I decided to eat whatever I wanted, and I put on some weight. So the last time we came to this beach was in Jan, and now it's March now, and I've just put on maybe 5 kg since. And what I've noticed is that when we go walk to the beach, when we go walk all the way out there somewhere, I've been huffing and puffing, and I don't like it. So I've decided I'm gonna go back to what I used to eat and try and lose some weight again, because I like the size, I look good, but just feel unfit, breathless when I walk. So yeah, maybe 2 months from now I would lose that weight. So yeah, just thought I'd just say that.
Boys. We missed out on Lily's birthday, so we thought this would be a good opportunity to celebrate with you again, Lily. And you, David. It was your birthday. It was.
Hey, yes, so kids here, they've been playing for the last 2 hours, non-stop, and I was just thinking, if they did this every day, sharks would be athletes, just constant. There's no one organizing it, they're just playing. So beautiful thought. Just imagine if all kids had this experience every day. It would be crazy. Got me thinking, should we move to somewhere like this? But will our kids be playing like this without their cousins? Who knows? But it's just good to see that they're quite active and confident playing with themselves. Here's the man himself, Atu. Here's Atu.
What's up?
We're just talking. How long have you been playing now?
I think we've been playing for about like 20 minutes.
20? Nah, 2 hours at least. Been swimming and playing.
To this campsite, I had a good time, and shout out to my dad, my Hannah, and Hayden. So the support. Good luck.
Thanks, Dave. Yep. Everyone's just packing up. Last morning in the beach campsite, just while walking past the sunrise. You wouldn't think this is New Zealand, but this is New Zealand, eh?
Yep. Hopefully that's it. Feels like Niue.
It's like Niue. Yeah, so last day we're just having some cardio. No one around, no one keen for fitness. Everyone's just waiting for breakfast. But yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. We'll catch you on the next one. If you're new to the channel, leave a comment, leave a like, subscribe. Peace. Alright, this is Josh from Motorcycles and Muay Thai.
Oh, what's up? Nice to see you, John.
your korala?
My wife, Lita.
Hey, Lita. So what are you guys up to now?
We're gonna go back and cook. We're staying at a campground, so we're gonna go cook.
Oh, okay. What are you cooking?
Chicken, fried, curry. Gonna test that out here.
Oh, sweet.
That out.
Oh, we might have to come and visit.
Come along.
Yeah. Okay. Thanks, Josh. Thanks, Lita.
See ya.